Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to study about price output by the dominant firm graph. For this, we are going to have two subtopics: price output dominant under price leadership and price leadership by low cost firm. So let's see. Price output determination under price leadership. Price output determination is generally explained in terms of dominant price leadership. We assume that there are two firms minus L and F. Cost of production of L is less than of F, and we also assume that both the firms are producing identical products. With this assumption, we can determine the price and output under price leadership as follows. So, we are going to study about the price output determination and about the dominant price leadership. So, for that we are assuming two firms minus L and F, and L is always less than of the F, and we are also assuming that the two firms are producing the identical products. So, from this we can understand the determinant of price and output under leadership. Okay. So, we are studying detail about this graph, so we are going to it. Yes. In this figure, MCL is the marginal cost curve of firm L. MCF is the marginal cost curve of firm F. Marginal cost of the firm L is less than of that of F. AR is the average revenue curve and MR is marginal revenue curve. AR and MR curve for both the firms are identical because both the firms are producing identical products. In this case, firm L will determine the price of its product at point E1, where it is MC equal to MR. At this point, its price will be Q1A OP1 and its output and sale will be OQ1. Firm F will determine its price at point E2 because at the point MC equal to MR. At this point, its price will be Q2B OP2 and the output and the sale will be OQ2. Here the price of the firm L is less than that of the firm F. The firm F has to compete with the low cost firm L, price leader, and it will be defeat in the price war if it fixes price at OP2, which is higher than OP1, price of price leader. Hence, firm F will be compelled to follow the price of the leader firm L. It will charge the price OP1 as set by the firm L. It will also produce OQ1 output, which is equilibrium output of the leader firm L. To conclude, OP1 price will prevail in the market and total output will be twice of OQ1. Here in this graph we can see MCL, that is marginal cost curve of firm L, and MCF as marginal cost curve of firm F. And we know that marginal cost firm L is always less than of F. And in this graph we can see AR, which is average revenue curve, and MR is marginal revenue curve. And AR and MR curves, both the firms are identical, as we mentioned above that they are getting the product is getting identical for both of the firms. In this case, firm L is determined as the price of at point E1. We can see MC is equal to MR. When we are observing close, we can see that MC is equal to MR. At this, the price will be Q1 OP1 and the output will also sale will be OQ1. The firm F is determine its price to E2 because always that MC is equal to MR. We already mentioned that MC is equal to MR. So that that's why that the firm F determine the price at E2. And in next point we can see that Q2 OP2 and the output and sale of OQ2. Here the firm is L is less than that of firm of F, as we mentioned always the above. In this graph also we can see that what OQ we can see that Q2B OP2 and output of the sale OQ2. So here the price of the firm L is less than that of the firm F. So by concluding that OP1 price will prevail in the market and total output of twice of OQ1. Like that we can understand in this graph that OP1 price will prevail the market and total output will be twice of OQ1. Okay. Then moving to the next second topic, price leadership by low cost firm. So let's see what is that. Price leadership by low cost firm. Sometimes a firm with low cost barometric principle leadership as a price leader. It will fix the price and all the other firms in the industry accept that price. And now the situation can be explained by this graph. Okay, price leadership by the low cost firm means sometime in the firm they will have the low cost barometric principle. We all know the leaders are always facing many problems with this financial and all. So for fixing this price and the firm of the industry, they will accept that price. And if they have not certain demands or they are getting some worse situation, they will accept that price and will move on. For that cases, for how they are facing the situation, that is showing in this graph. So let's see what is going on. Suppose all the firm face identical revenue curve and different cost curves. Economies of the scale may lead to the low cost of the firm. AR and MR are identical revenue curves of the firms. ACL and MCL are the cost curve of the low cost firm. Its costs are lower. The low cost firm sell OQL quantity and OPL price. Other firms sell OQQ quantity at OP price. This price is higher, hence other firms would lose the customers to low cost firms whose price is lower. Therefore, other firm accept PL set by the low cost firm and recognize its leadership. Here in this graph we can see the price or cost and the quantity. For this, all the firms are identical revenue curves which have the different cost curves. We know that different firms are having different cost by their hand. Economy scale may lead for the low cost firm, and we can see here AR and MR are identical revenue curves of all firms. Here ACL and MCL are the cost curve of the low cost firm. So its costs are lower. You can understand it is going down, so its cost is getting lower. The low cost firm sell OQL quantity of OQPL price. So what they are doing means OQL also trying to getting the quantity at the price of OPL. Other firms sell OQ quantity at OP price. So the price will getting higher and they will get more profit by the way. Hence the other firms would lose the customers by the low cost, the price is lower. So if quantity or quantity is getting high, the price will also get high. But we can see that in some cases when they are selling the products, the quality will be also less. When quality is great and the price is also in the average price, the customers will move on to that product and they will buy more, that we already know. And therefore the others firm accept the price PL set by the low cost firm and they will get the leadership. Like that they beat the other firms by doing such kind of trick in the marketing, and they will increase their leadership. This is what this graph is showing, and this is all about this two graph. Thank you.